Tracking your Google rankings automatically doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll show you how to set up an automated system that keeps track of where you stand in search results without the manual hassle. Stick around till the end because I'll also give you an exclusive free trial for the best tool I recommend, which you won't want to miss. First things first, you don't need to check your rankings manually every day. That's time-consuming and inefficient. With the right tools, you can track your Google rankings automatically with minimal effort. There are a variety of tools out there that can help, but after testing several popular options, I've found one that really stands out for its accuracy and ease of use. So, how does it work? You'll start by setting up your website and the specific keywords you want to track. Once you've added your keywords into the tool, the software will automatically pull your rankings from Google. No more scrolling through search results to see where you land. The tool will give you a clear picture of your current ranking position and track any fluctuations over time. This way, you can focus more on improving your content and SEO strategy, rather than worrying about manually checking where you stand. One feature I particularly love is how these tools can update you on any ranking changes via email, or even a simple dashboard alert. You'll know immediately if your rankings drop or if you hit a new high. Some tools even give you the ability to track multiple websites or track rankings across different regions and devices, which is incredibly valuable if you're working on a global SEO strategy. The key advantage of automatic tracking is that it saves you time and helps you keep a pulse on your SEO efforts without constant monitoring. No more worrying about falling behind on the competition. Your tool is doing the heavy lifting for you. Now, I've tried a lot of ranking software tools, but there's one that I highly recommend. I'm sharing a link below to an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. It's a great opportunity to follow along with the tutorial and see how the tool works in real time. It's only available to you, so don't miss out. Here's the key takeaway. Tracking your Google rankings automatically is one of the easiest ways to save time and stay on top of your SEO strategy. By automating the process, you ensure that you're always in the loop, and it takes the manual effort out of ranking checks. Plus, with the right tool, you can track changes and adjust your strategy quickly. To recap, we've covered how to set up automatic Google ranking tracking, the benefits of doing so, and how using the right tool can streamline your workflow. Make sure to check out the free trial in the description if you want to follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.